Welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how the wallet feature works, covering funding, withdrawals, and transaction management. The wallet is where you manage all financial transactions on the platform, such as funding and withdrawals. You can access it by clicking the wallet icon at the top right corner of both the recruitment and management dashboards. For privacy, your wallet balance is hidden by default. You can click the eye icon to reveal it. The wallet supports multiple currencies including USD, EUR, GBP, and others. Your transaction history is recorded here, organized by pagination. Each entry includes the transaction ID, date, type credit or debit, and status. Loubby AI also provides virtual accounts, allowing organizations to transfer funds directly into their wallet for larger transactions. To fund your wallet, enter the amount and add a short payment description, up to 80 characters. Next, choose a payment gateway. Stripe for international transactions. Paystack for local and regional payments. With Paystack you can pay with a card, transfer to a temporary account, valid for 30 minutes, use direct bank payments, where available, or pay via USSD. Once payment is successful, your wallet balance updates automatically, and the transaction appears in your history. To withdraw, select your saved bank account and enter a description. A verification code will be sent to your email to confirm the transaction. Withdrawals are usually processed within 24 hours. And the status will be shown as pending until completed. The wallet isn't limited to funding and withdrawals. It also integrates with other features such as payroll, funding your wallet to run salary payments, gigs and challenges, paying participants securely through wallet or escrow accounts. For example, if you approve a gig payment, the funds are deducted directly from your wallet and transferred to the recipient's escrow account. And that's the wallet feature in Loubby AI, your all-in-one solution for secure payments, withdrawals, and payroll transactions. Thank you for watching.